Dear students, today we will study the development of agriculture in India, which is the topic of Part A of Unit 4 of Indian Economy. First, I will explain to you why agriculture is important. Agriculture increases human welfare. It provides satisfaction to us and it is part of wage goods. As we know, by consuming agriculture products, we get lot of satisfaction and happiness, and we continuously get the supply of agriculture products. It adds to our satisfaction. So, welfare is directly related to consumption of agriculture goods. Income and employment of large section of population is dependent upon agriculture. In India, 70% or more people are dependent on agriculture. Their income and their employment is provided by agriculture sector. So it is very important for the welfare and development of each and every individual. Agriculture has linkages with other sectors of the economy, particularly industry and services. And these linkages are both supply side as well as demand side. Agriculture supplies various raw materials to other sectors, and similarly many demand side factors, industry demand, services demand, are emerging from agriculture sector. Therefore, agriculture linkages to other sector is important and it adds to the importance of agriculture. The income generated in agriculture sector leads to increase in savings in the economy. As farmers earn more, they will save more because there is a large section of population involved in it. So saving in economy can increase and it can finance other developments. Agriculture trade is also important, particularly agriculture exports, which can lead to lot of increase in foreign exchange and finances in the country, and that can lead to development. Overall, we can say agriculture development can lead to growth and development of whole economy. Therefore, this is an important sector of the economy. Now, I will take up some issues of agriculture development in India. In the colonial period, Indian agriculture was exploited by Britishers. And there were two major points in this. First, the commercialization of agriculture, and second, the surpluses from agriculture were taken away by Zamindari system. Indian agriculture, which was self-sufficient before British period, farmer owned the land and they produced themselves and supplied to small artisans, and demand and supply side it was interlinked, and farmers surpluses were reinvested next year, and capital formation was also taking place in, and all the needs of farmer as well as small artisans from supply demand side was successful, and agriculture was able to feed farmers. Therefore, there was very less poverty during that time. But during British period, commercialization of agriculture destroyed this very fact. Indian agriculture produce were directly traded and sent to British economy, and local demand was not fulfilled, and agriculture surpluses were taken away by Zamindari system. So reinvestment could not take place in Indian agriculture. This led to long-term deterioration in capital formation in agriculture sector, and resulted in backward agriculture in India. Agriculture failed to feed Indian population in 1947. Half of Indian population was not able to fulfill their daily need of foods. So 50% poverty was there in India. So there was a need for Indian agriculture to be revived under Indian regime. And after 1947, Indian policy was to increase production of agriculture, and this was mainly achieved by increasing the land area in Indian agriculture, and the production in India started to grow. First plan was mostly devoted to agriculture development, and there were certain irrigation projects that were started in India, and Bhakra Nangal Dam and projects like this were implemented in India, but it could not be sustained over a long period of time. After 1965, due to invention of hybrid seeds in Mexico, USA, the new technology came to India also, and hybrid seeds and fertilizer, when implemented in irrigated India, northwestern India, that resulted in manifold increase in food grain production in India, and that led to self-sufficiency in food grain in India, and we were able to fulfill the food grain need of the India. But we know agriculture development or agriculture production is a broad topic in which not only food grains, other products are also included. Oilseed, pulses, other crops are also included in agriculture production. So overall agriculture production did not increase in India. Food grain production increased in India, and therefore there was a need for overall agriculture development in India, and we will study this topic and certain problems of agriculture in the next video. At present, you just concentrate on the two topics, that is, what is the importance of agriculture, and second, how agriculture development in India took place over a period of time. Thank you.